Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing ETUDE House 02 Therapy Air Mask in Blueberry. It comes in lavender color sachet with blueberries on it. It claims that low irritant mask made of breathable 0.2 air sheet, contains blueberry extract, provides moisture and elasticity to dry, flaky skin. It has Korean and English instructions on it, which is great for international customers like us. Expiry date is mentioned on the bottom. So this is my current skin condition, which is really bad. I have compromised skin barrier right now, with my skin being oversensitive and dry. I have swollen eyes, with my face burning and very rough skin texture. The mask smells like berries with a clear, watery and non-sticky essence. The smell isn't overpowering. The mask is so thin that I thought that I'm going to tear it up, but I didn't, thankfully. The adherence is so good that the mask is not moving at all. It feels soothing on my face right now. There is lots of essence in the sachet that can be used to apply on dry areas of your body. After 15 minutes, so my skin has drank all the essence of this blueberry mask like a vampire. There is no additional essence left on my face, which isn't the case always. I guess it is because of my bad skin condition. My skin feels plump and hydrated even in this condition. So I will rate it 5 by 5 and will definitely recommend it to you guys. Bye!